In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fully reset Tradingview desktop app. If your charts aren't loading correctly, the interface feels sluggish, or settings have become messy after several tweaks, a full reset can quickly return the app to a clean, default state. Before we begin, keep in mind that this reset affects the desktop app on your computer. Your Tradingview account and any content saved to the cloud usually remain intact, but local preferences and customizations in the app can be cleared, so it's a good idea to save any work and note important settings you want to reapply later. Start by opening the Tradingview desktop app on your computer. Make sure it's fully launched and you're on the main workspace where you normally view your charts. If you have multiple windows open, switch to the primary window so the main menu is easy to access. Next, look to the very top left corner of the app. Click the three horizontal lines, often called the hamburger menu. This opens the main application menu where you'll find most global options and configuration panels. From this menu, choose App Settings. This is where TradingView groups all the controls that shape how the desktop app behaves. You'll see several sections, each dedicated to different parts of the application. In App Settings, click